Nigeria, now that you have your PVC, I beg, Biko, vote. Please vote. Don't let anyone tell you not to vote. Oh. If you don't know who to vote for, at least you know who not to vote for. You see those men coming around handing you money to vote? Don't vote for them. They did nothing for you. That's why they're asking you to vote for them with money. You see those men who have too many secretaries or too much PA that look like girlfriend? That is where the money goes that was supposed to fix your road. Don't vote for them. And you see those men that have wives and children living in America and Canada and England? Don't vote for them. Their family don't know what you're suffering. So don't vote for